You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast, the show where international relocation gets demystified. Today's focus, full service moves and what makes SDC stand apart. First, what does full service mean at SDC? When we say full service, we're not talking about the basics. We're talking about handling your international move from end to end with precision, professionalism, and a human touch. At SDC, full service means you won't have to coordinate multiple vendors or guess what happens next. We take care of everything. Expert grade packing. Our trained teams don't just pack your items, they protect them using expert quality materials and techniques. We ensure that furniture, glassware, electronics, and even heirlooms are ready to withstand the demands of international shipping. Nationwide pickup. Whether you're in a major city like Los Angeles or a small town in Kansas, SDC coordinates pickup from all 50 U.S. states. We come to you. No hauling, no drop-offs, no stress. Multi-mode shipping coordination. We handle shipping by sea, air, or a combination of both, depending on your budget, timeline, and cargo. Do you need your essentials first, but the rest can follow? We'll build a blended shipping solution that works. Custom documentation and compliance. Our experts manage all the necessary paperwork. We guide you through country-specific requirements and ensure nothing gets held up at the border. We speak the language of customs, so you don't have to. Door-to-door delivery abroad. Unlike movers who stop at the port, we carry your items all the way to your new home, wherever that may be. Whether it's an apartment in Paris or a villa in Portugal, we even offer white glove unpacking and furniture assembly on request. Add-on services that truly add value. Do you need short-term storage while you house hunt abroad? Want insurance that actually covers full replacement value? Have something fragile or oversized? We provide climate-controlled storage, comprehensive marine insurance, and custom crating for high-value items like pianos, artwork, and motorcycles. Other companies might leave you stranded at the port. We go the full distance, literally and figuratively. Our dedicated move coordinators stay with you every step of the way, from planning to unpacking. With SDC, we're not just moving stuff, we're moving your life. And we're here to protect it. Begin with a quote that actually reflects your comprehensive needs. Call 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.